Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. It's a really cool way to make your slides look cleaner and more creative, so yeah. Let's dive in. So first, open the Google Slides file you want to edit. Then click the slide where you want to place the shaped image. You can use a blank slide or any layout you like. Next, we need a shape. Go up to the toolbar and click the small shape icon. Choose any shape, a circle, a rectangle, maybe even a callout. It totally depends on the look you want. Now let's bring in your image. You can upload from your computer or pick something from Google Drive or Google Photos. Any method works. Here's the magic part. Select your image, then click the little arrow next to the crop icon. You'll see a bunch of shapes. Just pick the same shape you added earlier, and Google Slides will clip the picture into that exact shape. After masking, you can resize the picture by dragging the corners, and if you double-click the image, you'll see the crop handles. This lets you move the picture inside the shape to get the perfect fit. And if you want it to stand out a bit more, you can add a border, a drop shadow, or maybe a subtle reflection. Just open the Format Options panel on the right and, play around with the settings. One more quick tip. If you want to swap the picture but keep the same shape, just right-click and choose Replace Image. Pick a new file and Google Slides keeps the same mask, which is super handy. And that's it. That's how you insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. It's simple, it looks nice, and it really helps your slides feel more professional. Thanks for watching and check out the next guide for more quick tips. Hey everyone!